Now we have come together to celebrate Luis and Tatiana as they make their vows of marriage. Now today we celebrate the love that they share. This bond has brought all of us here today.
Together, you balance each other beautifully. You are partners, best friends, and each other's great supporters. And with that kind of love, that's the foundation of not just a strong marriage, but a meaningful life.
Your honesty grounds me. You tell me the truth, whether I'm ready for it or not, and I admire you for that. You're always motivating me to do more and do better.
Once we truly got to know each other, being with you felt easy. It felt safe, like coming home. I'll admit I played hard to get at first, but you waited. You waited patiently. You stood the test of time.
I promise to always help you find whatever it is that you've lost that day. And I promise to never stop loving you through every season, every change, every moment of this life we're building.
Luis has always been the joy of my life. And Tatiana has brought so much happiness into his life. And to see them join together in marriage, well, it just fills my heart with joy.
You are my world. I love that you put our son first because he's my most precious possession and blessing. My mini you really looks like dad. Of course, you're a close second, and I know you understand why. So let's keep laughing, keep making coffee, and keep making me food, and I'll keep loving you for as long as we're blessed to walk this journey together.
She packed up her life, followed her heart, and moved to a different state with Luis. And while I was still trying to learn how to drive, she was out here starting a whole new life. Luis, thank you for being her rock.
Luis, do you take Tatiana from this day onward to be your lawfully wedded wife? Look at her.
I do.
Tatiana, do you take Luis from this day onward to be your lawfully wedded husband?
I do.
Luis and Tati, I wish you a lifetime of love, happiness, and adventure. May your love continue to grow and flourish each and every day.
Luis isn't just my cousin, he's been my teacher in the kitchen, my confidant, and my personal chat GPT. I give him a point of interest and he does full research for me. It's awesome, I love it. But most importantly, he's a brother God gifted me.
Now, Luis and Tatiana, you have come together to be part of this marriage ceremony. You have made these commitments and promises to one another. That is why, by the power vested in me by the state of California, it is my honor to pronounce you married. And now you may kiss the bride.
You've grown together, and now you're raising a beautiful baby together. And now You guys are the best example of what love and commitment looks like for your little one. So here's to the newlyweds. May your nights be filled with laughter, your fridge never empty.